Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make japchae, which is Korean mixed noodles. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Coffee Cat's Kimchi. She requests japchae in the comment section. This one is for you. First, we need half an onion. Cut it into 1-inch slices like an apple. Then put them aside. Next, we need 1 whole carrot. Slice it thinly, then julienne and put it to the side. In Korean, jap means mixed and chae means vegetables, so japchae means mixed vegetable. Originally, japchae had no noodles. Now, 2 bell peppers. We only need half a bell pepper, but I'm using 2 different colors to make it pretty. Cut off the tops of the peppers, then cut out the seeds. Slice the remaining pepper thinly as evenly as you can. And put that to the side. Now, we are using baby oyster mushroom. Tear them apart and slice up the large mushroom into bite-sized pieces. Japchae was originally invented by King Gwanghae's chef in the 17th century. It was the king's favorite food. Next is spinach. Just cut off the edges so they don't get tangled. Now, 100 grams of pork sirloin. Cut it into bite-sized pieces.
I'm gonna put the pork here.
Salt and pepper the pork, then mix it well. I use pork sirloin for my japchae, but you can use beef as well. I just prefer pork more than a beef. Fill a small pot with water and bring to a boil.
Water first, so we can.
Once it's boiling, add the spinach and blanch it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, put the spinach in ice water to cool. Squeeze it lightly and put it into new bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of salt, 1 clove of minced garlic, and mix it well. Now we need a small skillet. Add a little oil and add the carrots. Add a pinch of salt and mix up the carrots. Once the carrots become fragrant, put them aside. Wipe the pan because we don't want any other vegetable flavors left behind. Then we oil the pan. And add the bell peppers. Add a pinch of salt. Don't add too much salt to either the carrots or bell peppers. We want them to retain their sweetness. The salt is only to bring out their natural flavors. Wipe the pan again. We oil and add the mushrooms. These days, japchae is usually made for special events like a birthday or weddings. Since mushrooms are not sweet, add a little more salt this time to bring out their natural umami flavor. Cook until they become fragrant. Wipe, oil, and add the onions. Just like in our bibimbap episode, we need to cook each ingredient separately to bring out their individual natural flavors. I love japchae, but my mom never made it when I was a kid unless guests came over. Because making japchae is a gesture of hospitality.
Yeah.
I caramelize the onions and set aside. This time, don't wipe the pan. we're going to cook the pork and we want it to be flavored by the onion. Add some new oil and 1 clove of minced garlic to remove the pork odor.
I don't think. Yep.
Once the garlic is golden brown, add the pork sirloin and cook it fully until it begins to brown.
Enough.
A lot of restaurants serve japchae as a side dish, but japchae is usually the main dish at a special event or party, not a side dish. Our vegetables are all done. Get a big bowl and fill it with water.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Once the water starts boiling, add jangmyeon or glass noodles. Boil the noodle for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how strong your fire is. People first started adding glass noodle to the japchae in the 1930s, but these days glass noodle have become the main ingredient in japchae. Once the noodles are ready, drain them and put them into a new bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to keep the noodles from getting soggy. Mix it well. Now we are making japchae sauce. Add 4.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 spoon of corn syrup, a pinch of black pepper, and 5 cloves of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it well. Once it's well mixed, pour your salsa into large skillet. Set your pan to medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of water and add your glassy noodles. Keep stir the noodle until they absorb all of the sauce. When the sauce is fully absorbed, put the glass noodles into a large bowl. Now we're gonna add all the ingredients we prepared. I'm not sure why I'm putting them so carefully because we're just going to mix it. But I think since I started YouTube, it just became my habit to place everything nicely.
1 spoon.
Pour 1 tablespoon of sesame oil on top.
Sesame oil.
And mix it well.
Hot! It's hot! It's hot! It's hot! The Korean is
Don't burn your hand like me.
I didn't want to use the palm.
Korean food is all about mixing with your hands, so I refuse to use the tongs. Once the noodles are well mixed, it's plating time. Scoop a little bit of everything into a large bowl. I like placing the meat on top and vegetable around the edges. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds on top of the dishes. And that's it. Our japchae is all ready to eat. This was our first time live streaming our cooking on Twitch. It was harder than we expected, but we had so much fun talking with you guys and meeting new people. Food really does taste better with friends. If you want to watch our next live stream, we stream every Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come by and say hi.
How is it?
It's good.
Dumb. What does it taste like? Express yourself.
It tastes like japchae.
Oh my god. People have never had japchae before.
How can I explain? It's so good. Okay. It's so good.
If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like to support my channel. And if you want to see next week's video, hit subscribe. You can also ding the bell to get notification when I post. If you have any questions or there's a Korean recipe you want to learn how to make, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. I hope you enjoy it. See you next week. 안녕!